Today we talk about smartphones and check social media together. Let's learn English with technology. I check my phone in the morning. I check my phone in the morning. I unlock my phone with Face ID. I unlock my iPhone with Face ID. I turn on the Wi-Fi. I turn on the Wi-Fi. I swipe up to see my notifications. I swipe up to see my notifications. I adjust the screen brightness. I adjust the screen brightness. I open my favorite social media app. I open my favorite social media app. I scroll through my newsfeed. I scroll through my newsfeed. I like and comment on my friend's post. I like and comment on my friend's post. I upload a beautiful photo to my profile. I upload a beautiful photo to my profile. I share a funny video with my family. I share a funny video with my family. I text my friends in a group chat. I text my friends in a group chat. I connect my phone to wireless earbuds. I connect my phone to wireless earbuds. I watch entertaining videos on my phone. I watch entertaining videos on my phone. I stream music on a Bluetooth speaker. I stream music on a Bluetooth speaker. I search for information on Google. I search for information on Google. I check my email on my laptop. I check my email on my laptop. I type a document on the keyboard. I type a document on the keyboard. I join an online meeting. I join an online meeting. My phone battery drops to 20%. My phone battery drops to 20%. I plug in the charger. I plug in the charger. I use a wireless charger on my desk. I use a wireless charger on my desk. I download a new app from the App Store. I download a new app from the App Store. I turn off notifications during work. I turn off notifications during work. I set a daily screen time limit. I set a daily screen time limit. I put away my phone before bed. I put away my phone before bed.